Radio back out here. Alright, now in my last video I was about to start on flattening these guys out, and I ended up getting them all flattened out. You know, generally where if I can draw a design on it, because what I'll do is, what I did is I got a piece of plexiglass, I cut it to the shape. That I want. And then I'll it's kind of hard to do one hand, you know, in a fucking move. Alright, you kind of get the idea. I'll flatten it out, and then I'll draw a design on there and kind of cut that out and get it rough shaped. And like I just did one a little bit ago, and I got two blades, one on that side, one on that side. They're a little slightly different in size. You know, you can see one's a little bit smaller than the other. But this is what I got going on to start with. I mean, it's not sharp or anything like that. I need to get sharpen it down to close, and then put it back in the forge and harden it, quench it, sharpen it, put a handle on it, or put a handle on it and then sharpen it. But that's kind of the idea. See if I can get a shitload out of that stack of blades. But you know, that's kind of the idea of what I'm going to do. And now when it comes down to a handle, I'm just going to put a round branch. I got branches off of this. I think they're like called a crepe myrtle tree. It's really tight grain. They dry pretty well, pretty hard, pretty strong. So yeah, I think I'm just going to use just round branches for like I did the other one. And simple, rustic, utilitarian, very that kind of thing you can beat up and it will last you a while. So that's the thing, man. I want something to last a long time. Anyway, Wingnut Radio back out.